Hello, in this video I will show you the BookingPress General Settings. First, go to the BookingPress Settings page. This is the BookingPress General Settings page. Now, let's explore the different settings. The first setting is Default Service Duration. Go to the Services page. This is the BookingPress Services page. Here, you can see the service list. Now, click the Add New button. This is the Add Service page. See, the default service duration is set to 30 minutes. Now, go back to the Settings page and change the duration. Now, go back to the Services page and reload it. Again, click the Add New button and check the default service duration. See, the duration has been changed successfully. Now, go back to the Settings page and check the next setting. The next setting is Default Time Slot Step. This setting allows you to define the interval between time slots used for appointment scheduling. The next option is Share Capacity Between Time Slots. This option is useful when you want multiple time slots to share the same booking capacity instead of having separate limits for each slot. The next option is Show Time as per Service Duration. The Share Capacity Between Time Slots option is available only when the Show Time as per Service Duration option is disabled. Enabling the Show Time as per Service Duration option allows BookingPress to generate time slots based on the service duration. The next option is Time Slot Grouping Settings. Here, you can configure the start time for each time slot group. Now, go to the front-end booking form page. Here, you can see the time slot grouping. Now, go to the back-end side and change the time slot grouping time. After that, click the Save button to save the changes. Again, go to the front end and reload the booking form page. See, here you can now view the morning and afternoon time slot groups. Go back to the back-end side and check the next setting. The next setting is Default Phone Country Code. BookingPress provides two options. The first is identifying the country code based on the user's IP address, and the second is selecting a default country manually. The next option is Default Items per Page. Go to the Payments page. This is the Payments page. Currently, 10 records are displayed per page. Now, go to the Settings page and change this value. Again, go to the Payments page and reload it. Scroll down and see, now 20 records are displayed per page. Now, go back to the Settings page and check the next setting. The next setting is Data Export Delimiter. Go to the Payments page and export the payment data. Open the downloaded file. Here, you can see the delimiter is a comma. Now, go back to the Settings page and change it to a semicolon. Now, return to the Payments page and reload it. Open the newly downloaded file. See, the delimiter has now changed successfully. Now, go back to the Settings page and check the next option. The next setting is Default Date Format. First, go to the Payments page and check the current date format. See, the date format is currently month, day, year. Now, go back to the Settings page and change it. Changes saved successfully. Now, reload the Payments page. See, the date format has been changed successfully. Now go back to the Settings page and check the next setting. The next option is Default Time Format. BookingPress provides 3 options: 12-hour format, 24-hour format, and Inherit from WordPress settings. The next option is Complete Payment Page Selection. Here, you can select a custom payment success page. The next setting is Show Booking Slots in Client Time Zone. When enabled, clients will see available booking slots according to their local time zone. The next option is Load JS and CSS in all pages. If enabled, BookingPress scripts and styles will load on every page of your website. The next setting is Debug Mode. This option becomes available only when WordPress Debug Mode is enabled. The last option is BookingPress Loader. BookingPress provides 3 different loader styles. Now change the loader and save the settings. Now go to the front-end booking form page and reload it. See, the new loader is now displayed here. That's it. The BookingPress General Settings configuration is now complete.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.